How to change your account name on Windows 10. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can change your account name on Windows 10. For this, you want to click on the search bar over here and search for Control Panel. Once you find Control Panel, go ahead and click on that. Here, you want to click on the option of User Accounts. Once you click on user accounts, you will find different settings here. Click on the first one, which is change your account name. Now you want to enter your new account name over here. You will see this account name in Windows screen and start menu. Once you have entered the new account name, click on Change Name option. As you can see, your name has been successfully changed on Windows 10. Now, if you use a Microsoft account to sign in and your name is tied to that, you want to open up your settings. Now, click on the Accounts option. Here, from the left-hand side panel, click on Email and Accounts. Now, you're going to find your Microsoft account here. Click on the Manage option. Then, next to your account name, click on Edit. Type in a new name and then save that change. And in this way, you can change your account name on Windows 10. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.